All right, we're gonna add a couple more upgrades to our game here. So one that I want to add is something that will allow me to um, click on the cookie, but like give me more cookies per click, I guess. I'm gonna call it a power clicker. It's gonna work quite similarly to the auto clicker in that. This part of it is going to be quite similar in terms of like I can buy it at a certain price, and so all this is going to be same. And then yeah, in fact, I think it's going to be very similar. The only difference is like the effect. It's not going to have this effect where it's going to click by itself. But when I click the cookie, so in my cookie, when I click the cookie, this is going to change a little bit. Okay, so because it's so similar, I'm just going to copy this one and duplicate it. Okay, auto clicker 2. We're going to call this one power clicker. Okay, and we're going to we'll put it there. We'll change the color so it doesn't look too similar. So let's see. We'll make it red. Yes. And instead of gray, we'll go kind of light red. How to get light red? Oh, maybe like that? Yeah, I think so. Yeah, that looks pretty good. Okay, and we'll call this one thread, and we'll call this one pink. Okay. Good, and let's go into our code for this power clicker. We need new variables. We certainly can't use the auto clicker ones, so we're gonna get power clicker. Let's call it power clicker level, and then we need power clicker price. Okay. Yeah, there they are. Okay. And so I'm gonna take my code here, and we're gonna get rid of setting up the. Actually, we can just change them. Level and power clicker price. We don't need this one. Okay, level is 0 at first. Price is 10 also. Well, we can change it up a little. Let's say 15. All right. And switch costume to pink cursor. So at the start, we cannot buy it, so it's the pink one. That's good. And then later, when we can buy it, it's the red one. That's good. Here, it's not going to be the auto clicker price. It's going to be power clicker price. See how easy it is, hey? The clicking part is the same. Cooldown off, mouse down, touching mouse pointer. That's good. Here we're not going to change auto clicker number. We're going to change power clicker level. Cooldown is good. Set cookies to, instead of cookies minus auto clicker price, we're going to go power clicker price. And this one is not going to be auto clicker. It's going to be power clicker price. And this is going to be power clicker price times 3. I don't know. Let's say 2.5 or something. Anything else that we need to fix? Pink cursor down here. No, I think that's okay. I believe we don't need this stuff, so that gets trashed. Okay, so now I should be able to purchase power clickers. Let's just make sure that that is going to work. So I need 15 cookies. That turns red. I click on that. Power clicker level should go up, and my cookies should go down. And indeed, that happens. Perfect. And the power clicker price also went up. Perfect. And so now I'm just going to go into my cookie code. And right now, when I click on my cookie, which is right here, okay, it's this long one. When I click on my cookie, I change my cookies by 1. I don't want to change my cookies by 1. I'm going to put in a little formula here to change the cookies by. And that formula is going to be, I believe we're going to go power clicker times. Yeah, okay. We need to set up a number that is going to be my multiplier for power clicker. So how many, is it going to get multiplied by? Yeah, so I'm going to get a multiplier equation and a plus equation. And I'm going to say, put this multiplier in here. We're going to say 1 times power clicker level. Let's see, power clicker level. Oops, that goes in there. Like so. Times, and then I'm going to need a number. How powerful should my power clicker be? Let's say 2.5, for example. Okay, so this is what I want to change my cookies by, so I'm going to put that instead of this one here. And so let's try that. So right now I have no power clickers. Okay, I got a power clicker. I'm going to buy one. So my power clicker level is now 1. Cookies is 11. When I click on my cookie, let's try it. It goes to 14.5, 18, 21.5. Yeah, so there we go. I can buy another one. And this time I'm going 61, 67, 73, 79, 85. I could buy another one. And now it's going to go, let's see, 23.75, 32.25, 40.75, 49.25, and so on. So you can play with the numbers until you get something that you are satisfied by. So that's it for power clicker. Let's just put my power clicker variables over there so that it's nice and organized. Okay. And the other thing that we want to do is I want to be able to upgrade my auto clicker so that my time, you see I have this timer that I never changed. I want that timer to go more quickly. That way, that means instead of like making my cookies go up every second, right now auto clicker timer is 1, and so it's going up every 1 second. I want to make that go up faster. Okay, so gonna get a new sprite for that. So let's create a new one. This time I'm gonna make one. Maybe I'll make it do a text and auto clicker upgrade like that. And let's make it. Yeah, let's make it a nicer color. Maybe like this. And let's put a little box around it. Send that backward. Okay. Oh, it's the same color as my text. That's why. Change the fill to be like maybe this. Yeah, that's looking nice. And let's see. Make my outline brighter color of some kind. Well, I can barely see that. Make it thicker. Oh, that's kind of an ugly color. Let's make it something more like that. Okay, that's looking pretty good. And we'll put this over here, say. And we're going to, I think, shrink it down a little bit. 50. Yeah. Put it there. Okay, perfect. Okay, now let's take a look at the code for what this is going to look like. Okay, so I'm going to do this one differently. So, you know, the other ones I did like a grayed out version and then a darker version. I'm going to actually hide this until it's time until I can afford it. So it doesn't even show up until I can afford it. I still need a price, I guess. So I'm gonna make a new variable, auto clicker upgrade price. Okay, so when we start off, so this is in my I guess I should give it a name, auto clicker upgrade. There we go. Okay, so when we start, green flag is clicked. We're going to set the price of this thing. Set auto clicker upgrade price, and this should be more expensive. It's more powerful. Let's set it to 100. And then we're gonna hide. Remember I said we're gonna hide it until we can afford it, right? So it looks, and we go hide. Okay, and then we get our forever loop. Okay, so basically, we get an if, maybe if else, like so. So either we're gonna show it or hide it, depending on if we have enough money. Show and hide. And then if we have enough money, we should show. Okay, so basically we get our variables. Cookies is greater than auto clicker upgrade price. That's right. Yeah, that's right. Okay. Then we should show, otherwise we'll hide it. The clicking part is going to be similar in terms of like buying it. Let's hide this. Let's hide this upgrade price. Yeah. Yeah, so let's just grab that from one of my other ones here. Duplicate. Bring it to the next one. Okay. Let's see. So I need that part, and that's going to go into the show, or into this if. Alright. So this clicking thing is the same. Instead of changing power clicker level, we're going to change the timer. Change auto clicker timer. Actually, no, we're not going to change. We're going to set. So let's just get that out and get a set auto clicker timer 2, and then we're going to half it each time. So we go auto clicker timer. I guess we can get a divide. Yeah, sure. So, and then we get auto clicker timer divided by 2. Auto clicker timer divided by 2. And that is mostly going to be the same. Set cookies to, this is going to be the auto clicker upgrade price. It's going to reduce. And set auto clicker upgrade price to auto clicker upgrade price times, let's make this expensive, like 5. And yeah, I think that's it. And then we go back to our auto clicker sprite. We're here. Yeah, no, I think that's good to go actually. We already set it up properly. That timer is just going to change. Okay, let's try it. So we're coming along, playing our game. We can't see that button yet. Let's just buy some of these things so that we're going quite fast until we get to 100, and that thing has now appeared. If we click on it, okay, so if I buy an auto clicker, so now it's going quite fast, faster than it was before. Yeah, I think that's it. Okay, so that's all for this video. See you in the next one.